Last month, Apple released the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. They are excellent phones, but the price starts from $699 to $1,099. It is clear that they are not cheap. But, according to Apple analyst at Ming-Chi Kuo from TF Securities, Apple will soon release a more affordable version of the iPhone SE2. Kuo previously predicted that SE2 will appear in early 2020, and now expects its launch for $399. That would make sense since the original iPhone SE was released in 2016 for $399, £359, or $679. This phone was essentially an iPhone 5s with some updated features. Kuo sees something similar for the iPhone SE2, predicting that it will look like the 2017 iPhone 8, but with improved internal components. The iPhone 8 is currently selling for $449. Ming-Chi Kuo is an Apple analyst with an impressive history. For example, last year he correctly predicted that Apple would launch a 6.1-inch iPhone with an LCD display, which will become the iPhone XR, after launching two OLED phones, iPhone XS, XS Max, at the same time. In addition to the starting price of $399, Kuo's latest report, published by 9 to 5 Mac, says the iPhone SE2 will ship with an A13 processor, the same as the iPhone 11, 11 Pro and Pro Max, with 3 GB RAM and will have gray, red, and silver color.